in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app and now enter menu. Go to settings, enter Google Assistant and go to voice match. Now simply enable Hey Google function and let's try it out. Hey Google. Sometimes you'll have to retrain the voice model. Hey Google. Okay Google. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Tap next. Not now. And let's try it out again. Hey Google. Now go back. Enter lock screen. And make sure that assistant responses on lock screen are also enabled. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. What's the weather like tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Krakow, it'll be cloudy, with a high of 12 and a low of 8.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.